Is the Kyrie 5s better than the Kyrie 4s? Let's talk about it. What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy Slim Beezy bringing out a sneaker video, this time on a Kyrie 5 Black Magic. If you're new to the channel or haven't yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that like button to help me rank high on YouTube. So without further ado, let's get right into this review. Bam! The Kyrie 5 Black Magic. So here we go with the first sneaker from the Kyrie 5 silhouette, with a brand new lockdown system, a new traction pattern inspired by his hamster tattoo, and it also features a zoom air cushioning in the forefoot. But as you can see, we got a black upper with a white swoosh. You got the white speckles on the midsole. You got white Kyrie branding on the tongue with a multicolored outsole, and in the outsole you can actually see the zoom air cushioning. And that's that in a nutshell. But for $130, this ain't a bad price for these. And also I bought an 11.5, where I should have went up a half size to a 12, because they fit real snug around this area right here. So that's the only complaints or gripes I got with the Kyrie 5. But you know what we came to do? That on feet. Let me know in the comment section, are you feeling the new Kyrie 5 silhouette? Or was this an easy no look pass? Thanks for watching my video as always. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video, or that thumbs down if you didn't. Sneakerholicbeez, and I'm out.